A man's got to work his way all the way up.
We work twice as hard for everything.
We have to learn how to structure ourselves in front of corporate America in order to keep our job.
While still on our period and cramping up.
Everything a man is doing, a woman is doing plus more.
Let's talk about womanliness in general as like a wife, a mother, and still being a career woman.
We have this societal pressure on us that I don't think people realize, but it's there.
A woman is allowed to show emotions, period.
If you want to cry, my nigga, cry.
Everybody is gonna look at me and be like, she unstable. Can she really handle this job? We have been fighting a very long time to get to where we are.
People are looking at me and seeing me getting to that top position, not because of what I have intellectually, but because
of your body.
That is hard. You cannot tell me that's not hard.
I'm looking out for me. I'm looking out for you. That's double the job.
They broke down the strong man to make him feel inferior and make the woman feel like he's inferior.
Who is it more difficult for?
Y'all
keep missing that word.
Y'all can go around and sleep with a large number, and if we do it, we're considered, that word.
a woman making more than her man. Sometimes it hurts his pride.
Y'all are the same ones who will come back home and nag this man.
I'm just gonna say a real woman will not do that.
You guys are trying to make it seem like we don't accept that you guys have tough lives. Yes, you do. It's more.
Walk in their bare face.
I'm stressed. You're stressing me out, Peter. And you too.